Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I got my brand new Gotham Steel Ultra Performance Non-Stick. And this one is a cook healthy with no oil or butter. So, it's a 12 pieces. As you see, a heavy duty ceramic non-stick. 2 times better than non-stick release. Stronger than ever. Ceramic with titanium and diamond, easy to clean, metal utensil safe, dishwasher safe, oven safe, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, cool to touch and induction base. So it has a 10 years warranty from manufacturing company. So as you see, so I got this from Walmart. It's this one is a plus deal. So my wife planned to replace our pot, and she came across and saw this Gotham Steel, and this one is on a plus deal, and they sold this to us for $99.96, but before they tried to sell this for $200. So if you guys are looking for a potware, which is the heavy duty ceramic non-stick, I highly recommend you guys this type of non-stick cookware. And I'm showing you guys once I open this box. Okay, well, this is the Gotham cookware that I basically received it today. And this Gotham transform your everyday cooking routine with Gotham Steel natural 12 pieces cookware, and a set of a rich navy and a cream color, crafted to be 2 times longer than the lasting than our the previous generations of award-winning cookware. And this is a non-stick ceramic, is made without the PFOE, PFOS, PT, PFAS, FTE, lead, or cadmium, and designed to be healthier, minimal to no oil or butter, and is needed, ushering in a healthier approach. Cooking. Cleaning up is just as easy as what they claim. Simply wipe the fry and down all the place in the dishwasher. It's a durable and interior heat, and a quickly and unevenly. And aside from that, this is an oven safe, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, makes oven your fan from the stove to an oven breeze. Whether it's a for college grads or a newly wed or registry housewarming or a vacation rental, these sets serve as a wonderful gift for an option and take your kitchen to the next level with a set, making a cooking of an art. And the healthier cooking, this is an easy non-stick ceramic cookware. Pots, pan, and design 2 times more durable than a dishwasher safe, as what I said a while ago. And this 12-piece set has a steel of pots, pans you'll need your kitchen, including the 8.5 fry pan. The 8.5 fry pan is this one. This is the frying pan, as you see. This is the 8.5, this one. Like this one, 8.5 frying pan, and it has the lead cover, and this is also a frying pan as well. So it has 2 frying pan. The other one is 10.25, and a 1-quart saucepan with the lead 2.5 saucepan, and a 9.5 shallow square pan. The shallow square pan is this one, as you see. It has a gold-plated, coating through the handle and also through the top. This is very beautiful pan. If you guys will buy this, you will not get wrong. And easy to clean as what they claim. And aside from that, it's one of the healthiest, healthy cooking. Is just an easy way. Non-stick surface 2 times more durable than the previous generations. So it's a non-toxic, and all the pots are made without the PFOA, as what I said a while ago, and then PFOS, PFAS, PFTE, and a lead, and cadmium, that's safer for your and your family, for you and for your family. And this is a dishwasher safe, so you spend less time in cleaning up during the busy weeknights. And once you're done cooking, just place your cookware in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleaning experience. And you can use this as a gift, as a practical, thoughtful presence. And as you see, and this is the steamer, this is the lid cover, and this is the steamer. So if you guys love to steam any pork bun, you are able to cook pork bun here. Or chicken empanada, you fry chicken empanada. So, and this is the pot, as you see. It's a beautiful pot, ceramic coating. And that's the bottom. This one is really a beautiful pot. 12 pieces. For $100. This one is a past deal. After this month, they will no longer sell this for $100 for 12 pieces. This one probably will sell more than 200. They tried to sell this for 200 before. Now they make a past deal. They just want to sell this immediately to people who are searching for a beautiful pot or a cookware set. As you see, very nice coating, very nice ceramic coating. And if you have an induction electric oven, you can use this. This is made for induction, so you're able to use this for those people who have an electric electric range. Mine is a gas range, so I don't have to worry. But if I have an electric range, I'm able to use this as well. And you can put this also in your oven. It can handle up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook or you can bake whatever you want to bake. You can put this inside the oven easily. So you don't have to worry, because the handle is made of steel and the coating is very beautiful, very elegant. I can assure you guys, you will be satisfied for $100. You will not get wrong. I'll give this a 5-star. I can give this more than 5-star, because this is a beautiful pot for $100. If you buy this from Costco, probably more than that. Probably this one, it costs more than $300. My sister bought a pot, a cookware pot similar to this one, 12 pieces. But she got it from Amazon. She bought it for more than $300, and similar features. And ceramic non-stick. The reason why we got a ceramic non-stick, because some of our pot and some of our cookware are made of aluminum, and aluminum are not good for your health. Ceramic, as long as the coating is still handle the coating. But this coating, they can guarantee that the coating can handle for more than 10 years. So they give you this paper. As you see, Gotham, thank you for purchasing Gotham Steel. See the reverse side for 10 years warranty information. So all you need to do, you need to scan that barcode, and you need to register your pot. I already registered mine, my name, and I've been guaranteed for 10 years. So if you have any problem that the coating of this pot will remove, or any scratches that occur, as long as you did not use a sharp object to scratch it. But if you use this for regular cooking, after you use, so you just use only a paper towel to clean it up, and use a detergent soap, so you don't have to worry about it. So as you see, this one is a stainless. They want to make sure that everything's are non-cancerous product. So we are avoiding those cancerous pot or aluminum cookware. Now we have a beautiful, this is a beautiful set of cookware. See this? That's an elegant. This is a, again, this is a Gotham steel, 12 pieces, heavy duty non-stick, ceramic cookware. You will not get wrong for $100. Again, you can buy this from Walmart. I hope you guys like my video. And if you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like, subscribe, and share my channel and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.